Alright, we finna give it another whirl. Just go down the street one more time, Fred. I got you on record now. Here we go. Eat off. Sound real good. Man, I like that. He went on down there and turned around. As we can see, get on out of the sun here. Okay, here he come back. And, oh yeah, it does real good. I ain't try to pick on up. I think we done did something. And he's gonna come again. Oh yeah. Oh nah. Boy, he had to slow down, ain't got no brakes. Alright, he go up and turn around, he come back. That thing don't know when to get down. It sounds like a real bike. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That thing we done did wonders. Yeah, that's right.